this is the mega project that Ijele Obodoukwu is doing in this town, and he is actually writing his name in gold. There is no way we will talk about this town without talking about Ijele Obodoukwu, Chief Dr. Onyeka Umeugo. And why is that? This road you are looking at is very important to this town in terms of economic importance. You find out that this road connects the major entrances to the town. The entrance from Uruala, the entrance from Akokwa, the entrance from Osina. And what does that mean? That this town is going to be viable. Anyone can drive in from anywhere and then do business in this town. You know, roads make towns, they open up town. Roads make towns develop. They develop towns, and that is what this road has done. And you know, Chief Onyeka Umeugo decided that the blessings that God gave to him should flow to the town. And what has that flow turned into? Solid mega road.
The arrival of Dr. Onyeka Umeugo, Ijele Obodoukwu, Amatume Iguano, Rising Group.
Rarely do you find a man with an infectious philanthropy in a typical African community where the wealthy feel that they owe little or nothing to their people in terms of infrastructural development. In fact, anyone could say that this should be the work of government and its agencies. But there comes a moment when God singles out a man for exceptional blessings and gives him the opportunity or option of deciding whether to just live a good life with his money or change the lives of people in his community. In most cases, many wealthy men would prefer the former, just live a good life with his money. But one man stands out as an exception, with a mission to impact lives in his community with the blessings he received from God. That man is Dr. Onyeka Umeugo, Ijele Obodoukwu in Idiato North Local Government Area of Imo State. Very unassuming, humble, with an infectious calmness that exudes greatness.
Ijele Obodoukwu Ijele ọbara obodo a nnukwu uru ihe na-egbu anyị n'owu onye ka ọ bụ nwa Joseph onye kapịnta mana ihe ndị ahụ agbanwego. We must give honor to whom honor is due. Onye ọrụ na-emere ihe m na-agaghị emeli ntụ onye odogwu mgbe onye odogwu nwoke ihe chọrọ ime ka onye ọrụ na-amata ahụ anyị ekele na ya na ọ gbara nna ya nke kacha nke wo ọhụna na obodo ya anamata ihe ọma o mere. Ọ bụrụ na ọ namata ihe o mere anyị nwetara ozi late onye o ji wụrụ mkpọ mmadụ na-aba abịa ọzọ ọnwụ na anyị nwetara ozi n'oge ikwu na ibe nwezekwu nna ga-agbatụrụ ihe
Ijele mbora kwa naka.
Dr. Umeugo was born by Chief and Lolo Augustine Umeugo some decades ago, exactly when God destined that greatness should be birthed in Obodoukwu. He had his primary education at Shell Camp Primary School, Owerri, Imo State from 1984 to 1989, after which he proceeded to Marist Academy, Uturu, Okigwe, for his secondary education from 1989 to 1994. He ventured into the private sector with a vision to conquer and climb to the top of the food chain as a captain of industry. This required him to be patient in order to learn the ropes before he launched his business empire, Guarantee Group of Companies, in the year 2000. He further received an honorary doctorate in 2014 from the Commonwealth University, London, which is an achievement that reflects acceptance of Ijele Obodoukwu as a global brand. Having accomplished great feats in the business world, Dr. Onyeka Umeugo decided it was time to give back to the society from the enormous blessings God had brought his way. He began his philanthropic mission in his own community, Obodoukwu, with the paving of 10 kilometers roads across the community using top-quality asphalt, a project which first phase has since been completed. This exemplary feat endeared him to the heart of his own people, as he has etched his name in the sand of history as one of the most loved sons ever to come out of Obodoukwu community. When you get close to Dr. Onyeka Umeugo, you naturally feel you are standing before greatness. His actions, activities, and bouts of kindness capture the innate qualities in him, one of which is to constantly make people around him feel happy to be associated with him in one way or the other. Dr. Onyeka Umeugo undoubtedly has left an indelible mark in the history and development of Obodoukwu community with his invaluable acts of philanthropy. When a man starts searching for people and places to provide with steady stream of love, affection, and good life, that is truly a great man. It is very clear that Dr. Onyeka Umeugo is a good man who stays true to his heart, respects others, and values life, as a result of which he is spending time and resources to lift the infrastructural and empowerment status of his community, Obodoukwu. The good thing is that Ijele is not in competition with anybody. All he keeps saying in several of his outings is that in view of the fact that Obodoukwu community is blessed with many wealthy sons, more successful sons and daughters of the soil who have been blessed by God should join hands to make their community great.
see all of you. And Chineke Nyando. I can another time with Nile. You are the Obodoukwu. Even on your mother, what are you? So I can moon Nile no Bashita. So thank you. The type of Namatuna Matrameba. Yes, sir. I have a Mamma, where are you, man? Even Governor of State, we are jumping to shut down. So it shows me the level of love. But one thing I won't let you down. I will keep uplifting our community. They come see women in Lagos. I said no more. I won't be him. Last time we made empowerment, all more can carry motorcycle, motor. I let you know I'm going to attack my because of men power away. And the more I can name the teacher. How will I name it? I'll keep helping out. You're not going to buy them. At no capacity, I can name the buyer. I tell you about a name. I Chile come to knock at him.